3 watches with the most beautiful movements. The Zenith El Primero movement stands as an icon of horological innovation and precision. Introduced in 1969, it was one of the world's first automatic chronograph movements, marking a significant milestone in watchmaking history. What sets the El Primero apart is its high frequency of 36,000 vibrations per hour or 5 Hz, which allows for the measurement of time with exceptional accuracy, down to 1/10 of a second. This impressive frequency contributes to the movement's smooth and precise chronograph functionality, making it a revered choice among watch enthusiasts and collectors. The El Primero's architecture, with its integrated chronograph design, showcases Zenith's commitment to technical mastery and precision engineering. Its enduring popularity is also attributed to its reliability and longevity, as evidenced by its continuous production since its inception. The movement's significance extends beyond its technical prowess. It is celebrated for powering an array of renowned timepieces across Zenith's diverse collections, solidifying its status as a legendary and influential caliber in the world of high horology. The Omega 3861 movement is a high-precision mechanical movement that powers some of Omega's prestigious timepieces, including the famous Speedmaster Moonwatch. This manual winding chronograph movement is a modern interpretation of Omega's legendary caliber 1861 and the movement 861, which was the movement that accompanied the astronauts to the moon during the Apollo missions. The Omega 3861 boasts numerous enhancements over its predecessor, including a coaxial escapement, which reduces friction and ensures greater long-term precision. This innovative technology, developed by renowned watchmaker George Daniels and further refined by Omega, has set new standards for accuracy and reliability in mechanical watchmaking. Additionally, the movement features a silicon balance spring, which enhances its resistance to magnetic fields and contributes to its exceptional chronometric performance. Visually, the Omega 3861 movement is a testament to exquisite craftsmanship and attention to detail. The components are meticulously finished and decorated with Geneva waves and circular graining, showcasing Omega's commitment to both technical excellence and aesthetic beauty. Overall, the Omega 3861 movement represents the pinnacle of mechanical watchmaking, combining heritage, innovation, and precision to deliver a truly exceptional timekeeping experience in some of the world's most iconic timepieces. The Universal Geneve micro-rotor movement represents a significant achievement in horological engineering and design. Its innovative construction integrates a miniature rotor directly into the movement, allowing for automatic winding while maintaining a slim profile. This pioneering approach to automatic timekeeping was a breakthrough in the mid-20th century, as it enabled the creation of elegantly thin and sophisticated timepieces. The micro-rotor design is revered for its efficient use of space, preserving the overall thinness of the watch and providing a clear view of the intricate mechanical components through the caseback. The implementation of a micro-rotor also offers a captivating visual element to the movement, as it oscillates with rhythmic grace, showcasing the artistry of its mechanical operation. This technical feat combines the convenience of automatic winding with the precision and craftsmanship expected from fine watchmaking. Universal Geneve's mastery of micro-rotor movements has left an indelible mark on the horological landscape, with its creation embodying a harmonious blend of tradition, innovation, and superior engineering. These movements continue to captivate enthusiasts and collectors alike, representing a timeless testament to the brand's rich heritage and unwavering dedication to horological excellence. Do you agree that these three movements are beautiful? And which other movement would you add to the list? Leave it on the comments below.